Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use AUX in Fiat 500. Start by finding the AUX jack and keeping a 3.5 cable handy. Plug one end into your phone or player and the other into the car's AUX input. Turn the stereo on, select the AUX source, and adjust volume slowly to avoid loud bursts. If there is no sound, check cable seating, phone output level, and mute settings before trying again. To connect, power off or lower volume to avoid loud pops when plugging in the cable. Insert the 3.5 plug firmly into the Fiat 500 aux port and into your device's headphone jack or adapter. Switch the car stereo to the AUX source and start playback on your device. Adjust both device and car volume for balanced sound and keep cables tidy to prevent interference while driving or when opening the glove box. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading during passenger times and long waits, with comfy lighting and long battery life, making it an ideal companion for road trips when you're parked. Check the video description for the Kindle link and other deals I mentioned. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. If audio issues appear, start with simple checks to save time. Inspect the cable for frays and test with another phone to see if the problem persists. Confirm the stereo is on AUX and that your phone's audio output is active, not routed to Bluetooth. Clean the aux port gently if debris is present and try a different cable to rule out faults. Small fixes often restore clear, stable audio quickly and safely while driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.